All right, today we're gonna do something great. We're gonna rock an apple pie, pizza pie a la mode. You are gonna love this. Real simple to do, basic ingredients. We're gonna start out with some nice green apples. Granny Smith is great. Little lemon juice on them, keep those nice and tart. Those are pretty cool. We're gonna add equal parts of flour, brown sugar, lots of butter. I'm gonna cheat on the equal parts. I got some nutmeg, about a teaspoon. I'll post the recipe up on the blog, and some cinnamon as well. These are gonna be the crumbs for it, okay? And then when we finish, we're gonna hit it with some whipped cream, powdered sugar, all kind of toppings. Check it out. Well, all right, so we're gonna take our dough, 12-inch dough. We don't want a crust because it's not really important to do a big crust, all right? I'm gonna take our little pieces of apple, and we're gonna put them all around just like that, okay? So it's gonna come out looking like a flower when it's done. It's really cool. And you can go right to the edge, you can go over the edge, you can do whatever you like. It's your pizza. Don't waste a good apple. All right, so that looks pretty cool. You want to make sure you're keeping that nice and loose like that, all right? Cool. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is gonna make the cinnamon crumbs, and they're absolutely incredible. We take our flour, and our brown sugar, and our butter. I mean, we have a lot of butter here, but it's equal parts. It's okay. The butter has to be soft, so it mixes easy. Don't melt the butter. If you melt the butter, it won't work, okay? And we're gonna put a little bit of toss it around a little bit for a moment. Get it going. All right, and then we're gonna incorporate it together. By hand is the best way to do it. Okay. So now this needs to be soft and moist. If it's a little bit dry, you know, I like to add a little bit of vanilla syrup to it too, just a little bit, so that vanilla and then nutmeg and cinnamon and the butter all comes real nice. And that's how it has to be. You don't want it dry, otherwise it's gonna burn. You know, you don't want it to burn on your pizza. You want it to just melt and have a nice, you know, little crunch on the outside. So it's a nice dough actually. Look at that, see? It's like making a dough. And that's what we got. And you can pre-make this if you want, put it in the refrigerator, have it ready for the next day. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, cool. Now, so you want to take nice little pieces and put them around the pie. This pie here is going to serve a family of 4. We'll post up all the ingredients. And you want to put nice little pieces all around the pie. It's about the crumbs. And then when you hit this with the ice cream and the powdered sugar and a little bit of chocolate syrup and some condensed sweetened milk on top and whipped cream. Oh my God, you're just going to love this. Absolutely phenomenal. Again, nice big crumbs. It looks really good. I might as well use it all, guys. And that's it, but make sure now that you got your dough all set up and your apples, make sure that you're staying loose, all right? Lots of flour on that peel, all right? So then we're gonna go down, throw it in the oven, and we're gonna rock the apple pizza pie a la mode. All right, so now we're gonna take our apple pizza. Look at that, looks really good. Make sure it's loose. We're gonna cook it in the forno fun, all right? So the flame is not too big, you know, but it's still really hot. So we're gonna put it in there. Nice and carefully, because you don't wanna mess it up. And that's it, it's in. I'm gonna let that cook and give it a couple of good turns. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, I'm gonna put it here for now, and I'm gonna bring her up to the decorator. Good. All right, check that out, guys. The dough is nice, the apples are cooked, the crumbs are crunchy and soft at the same time. All right, so they're always moist and soft. They're like a dough cookie. Really good. And the first thing you want to do is cut it ahead of time, because you want to make sure that everybody gets a nice slice each. This is pretty big actually. This is at least 14 inches, so I'm gonna make 8 small slices out of it. And then wait till you see how it looks. Watch your crumbs. Okay. Then we're gonna take some ice cream, and everyone's gonna get one little ball each. One scoop. And then we're gonna take some whipped cream, right? Put that over here. Got 8 beautiful slices. And I'm gonna take a little chocolate on there too. Might as well keep going. That looks really nice. Looks really good. And then we're gonna take a little bit of our condensed milk. Oh, which is incredible flavor. You know what? Might as well go the other way too. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of powdered sugar. And make the crust nice and white on the apples. And the crumbs on top white. Lots of sugar, don't worry about it. The more, the merrier. And we'll just put one in the middle and make it look really nice. Okay. And that's how we rock the apple pizza. It's absolutely incredible and you will love it. Make sure that you cut it really well because when you serve it, you want to just be able to get one underneath there and give everybody a beautiful slice of the famous hot apple pizza pie a la mode. Absolutely incredible. Love life and get cooking. Wow, look at that. How is that?
Oh, it's amazing. Mmm.